Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE X97 Pro and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and then let's scroll down in order to find the passwords and accounts. Of course, here we've got Google section and you can add or remove a Google account using it, but to be honest, I personally prefer to do it using passwords and accounts. So let me tap on it, and as you can see here in this accounts section, we do not have any accounts added. So let's start this tutorial with adding the account. Let's tap on this option and of course pick Google. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation, and it doesn't really matter if you will use the Wi-Fi or mobile data. And here we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. And just a quick disclaimer, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the @ because after tapping on next, your device will simply autofill it. So right now we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here you've got the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on accept. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Of course, you can also remove it whenever you want to. Just tap on it and tap on remove account. Tap on remove account again. And as you can see, it will immediately disappear. However, be aware that if you've got any kind of screen lock currently set, your device will ask you to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to manage a Google account in your DOOGEE X97 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.